Hey there, bloggers, businessmen, and fellow entrepreneurs. If you are planning to host your website with Hostinger, then congratulations, you made a smart choice, and this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you two different ways to save money with Hostinger coupon codes. The best one is my personal Hostinger referral discount, which gives you a clean 20% off on any hosting plan. Alternatively, you can use the code STUDENT15 for a 10% discount. As you can see, the referral option clearly gives you more savings. Let me guide you step by step on how to claim this 20% Hostinger discount. In the description box below, you'll find my referral links arranged in ascending order according to countries, complete with local language and currency support. Simply choose your country and click the link. It will redirect you straight to the official Hostinger site. On the Hostinger homepage, look for the nav bar and click on Products and Services. Here you'll find every hosting plan and service they offer. Good news, my 20% referral discount is valid across all of them. To make it easy, let's demonstrate with web hosting. Click on web hosting and you'll see all the different plans. For today's example, I'm selecting the business web hosting plan. Proceed to checkout and you will see the 20% discount automatically applied to your order. That's it, simple and straightforward. Just one quick advice, make sure to use a completely new email address that hasn't been used with Hostinger before for the best results. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on the latest working Hostinger coupon codes and hosting deals. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.